Hey, welcome to Fix It. Today I will show you how to pause Instagram Reels on iPhone. Let's go. First of all, open up the Instagram application. Then tap on the Reels button at the bottom right to go over to the Reels tab. Now you'll be able to watch Reels on Instagram. If you want to pause the reel that you are currently watching right now, simply tap and hold your finger on the screen, and the reel will be paused. You can now take a closer look at the details on the reel. Read any text on the video and do whatever you want. If you want to start watching the reel again, just take your finger off the screen. This is exactly how you pause videos on Instagram. Now easily pause a reel while viewing it on your iPhone. Thanks for choosing Fix It again. Hopefully I fixed your problem today. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about the video.